how to upload website to GoDaddy. So hello there and welcome back to another video. To upload a website to GoDaddy, you have to head over to GoDaddy site and then you have to sign into GoDaddy. So let's tap onto it and let's sign in with our Google account. You can sign in using your email address, your Google, or you can say Gmail address, your Facebook account, your Apple address. Now you can tap onto create an account or link my account. So let's tap onto create an account. For now, let's create an account. So as you can see, I have successfully created an account. Now you have to head over to the web hosting options. For example, here you can see this my account. Then tap onto manage my products and wait until the page is loaded. Here we can see this your account. From here you can check out your my products, your account settings, and all of these things. Okay, now here you can see the domain defaults. Here just tap onto domain defaults. Now from here you can add your profile if you wish to. So here you can see this, go to domain manager, tap onto this little text over here, tap on to go to domain manager. Now here you can see you can find your first domain or you can transfer domains to GoDaddy. So tap on to transfer domain to GoDaddy. Now you have to enter some details here. Now from here you can see this import file, like you can add your domain right from here. You just tap and you have to choose your files like your website files, then you have to open it up and then you have to simply tap on to submit, then tap on to continue and then follow the prompts, and that's it. This is as simple as that. This is how you can add website domains to GoDaddy very easily. So if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, see you on to another video.